If you just bought the new Ring Floodlight Cam 4K, you might be wondering how to install it, particularly because it is a hardwired product. The good news is installation is incredibly easy, even if you're new to working with wired lights or cameras.
I'm Erin from Tech Gadgets International, and I've probably installed more than a dozen hardwired video cameras. I'll help you through the installation and give you a look at what all the parts and pieces are for so you can go into your own install feeling confident. Let's get to it.
Scan the QR code on the back of the camera and that will automatically add it to the app, allow you to name it, and give you detailed instructions. The first and most important step is to shut the power off to the area at the breaker. You'll need to remove your existing light fixture and its mounting bracket, and these should just come out with screws. Next, you'll want to install the metal mounting bracket that comes with the Ring Floodlight Cam and make sure the side that's marked front is facing out. Screw it down across the two opposing holes on the electrical box. Ring has supplied a handful of different size screws, so something in your kit should fit. Line up the plastic mounting plate from the Ring Floodlight Cam Pro and feed the wires through the hole in the plate, then center it over the junction box. Take a look for an arrow marked up and make sure it's pointing in the right direction. Of note is that you can also mount this under your eaves if you prefer, and in that case you're going to point the arrow towards the wall. Use more screws from your kit to fix the plastic mounting plate, and then use the handy dandy fabric strap on the back of the camera to hang the floodlight cam from the mounting plate. There's a little hook there so you can safely and easily connect the wires.
I think this is a super smart design choice from Ring, and it actually makes a huge amount of difference and essentially lets the installation be a one-person job.
Next, connect the wires, black to black, white to white, and the green to the ground wire. Secure them with morettes and then slide the light fixture on, and this should go easily onto the posts coming from the mounting plate. Secure the fixture with the included cap nuts. Now is the time to position the camera and aim the lights where you want, and then tighten the screw on the camera collar to lock it into place. You can turn the power back on at the breaker and you should hear your camera boot up.
That's all you need to know to install a Ring Floodlight Cam 4K. And don't forget, Ring has full and detailed instructions in the app, and it's going to walk you through everything. So if there's a step I forgot or something you missed, don't worry because Ring has you covered. If you do want my detailed how-to information though, hit me with an email right here, right to my inbox. Ask for it and I'll send it to you personally. And if you want to find out the full details about whether owning the 4K floodlight cam is actually worth the additional cost and the higher monthly fees for some of those new AI-powered features, you definitely want to check out my full review, which is right here on the channel right now.